Hello everyone, welcome to KickPy. So in this video I'm going to write a program to multiply all the elements in a list. So first of all, my list is equal to 1 4 6. You can give here any numbers. Then result is equal to 1. So now I'm using a loop, that is for loop, for I in list. Result will be equal to result into I. This line means that each time the result will be multiply a element of a list. And then I'm just printing the result, gives us the output 24. So I'm changing the numbers 4 7. This gives output 50. So this is how you can write a program to multiply all the elements in a list. So thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in the next video. So if you want to practice Python questions daily, so please join our Telegram group. The link is in description.